Miss Joy Cancho, Mr. Jojo Alihar, Sir Maynard Marciliano, Mr. John Suban, of course, Mr. Mel Feliciano, and the legend Tita Jeline Eugenio! And our very own Julian Raver! Grabe yun!
Grabe!
Sobrang nostalgic,
Ito na
ano?
yun, parang nasa concert na ako talaga.
And speaking of concert, may concert sila.
Grabe po, bago lahat, welcome to All Out Sundays
Thank you.
po, guys. Thank you sa All Out Sundays.
Welcome to AOS.
Grabe, meron po akong tanong para po sa inyo. Paano po ba nabuo ang idea na magsama-sama mga Pinoy dance legends sa isang dance concert?
Ayun na nga.
Yes,
Kasi
go.
ito ay on November 4.
November.
Ngayon, ang nangyari doon, si Mel and May, kaming dalawa ni May, ginawa namin yun. Pero mas maganda nung tinulungan na kami ni Maribeth at ng Tessie Celestino. So, in fairness naman, tumulong din yung mga dancers kasi ang pinaka-feeling namin, kasi medyo may edad na kami, lalo-lalo na si Jeline, di ba?
Hoy, ikaw lang.
Ito na yung perfect time.
Ka nga eh.
Hindi, kumbaga, hindi, kaya naman ako nahulog dahil dumikit yung sapatos ko.
Dumikit.
Actually, it's a collective effort. It's a very collective effort among all the dancers. Hindi ito self-proclaim, ba? Sila talaga yung mga legends. Ever since, sila talaga yung magagaling. Growing up from the 70s, the 80s,
Huwag
and the
naman
90s.
sila, kasama ka naman.
Ha?
That's
Okay,
great.
salamat po yung pagdamay sa akin.
Pero alam mo ang ganda, kung alam nyo lang, nandito ang penthouse.
Opo.
Andito, sino yan, Jeline, yung
Sino
mga
yung
ano?
penthouse, Tita?
Penthouse 7, all the real
Yeah.
penthouse dancers.
Oh,
Disco.
the first one.
Yeah.
The first one.
The first.
First one.
The
Then we
first
have the
generation
Aldiger
Si Maribeth
sisters.
Bichara is here. Aldiger Sisters is here.
All the
Andyan sila
recording company dancers of the
Yes.
80s up to the 90s.
Grabe pala itong concert na ito.
ano talaga ito?
We
This
have Tito
promises
Douglas
something.
Nieras
Yes.
and...
Ah.
Wow!
It's a dance revolution.
All about the
Revolution.
dance,
You know,
all
it's
about the
parang
dancers,
ano-
all about the music.
Yes.
So,
They say-
maganda.
So,
they
bunso
say-
si Kuya Maynard? Bunso si...
Siya ang bunso.
Kaya pa mag-acrobat eh.
Alam mo, Raver, it's something like it's time to give the dancers a tribute
Totoo
and
naman.
the choreographers a tribute. So, that's why this show was created.
Yeah!
That's
And-
very nice.
Yes. Alam mo, sobrang totoo yan kasi hindi talaga mabubuo ang isang prod or production number without the dancers. Sila
Yes.
ang bumubuhay sa show.
Thank you.
Choreographers,
Kaya-
dancers.
Saludo
Kami
po
lagi
kami
namin
sa inyo.
sinasabi. Lagi mo sinabi sa ano, yung,
When I got awarded from PMPC, I said, dancers are the unsung heroes of this
Yes.
industry.
Totoo.
They are the first to come and the last to go home. And behind the dancers are the choreographers.
Kaya naman, Tita Jeline!
dance craze are the choreographers.
Totoo naman.
and behind the choreographer is Jeline.
The choreographer.
Hindi, sa totoo lang ha. Nagulat nga ako
That is why
eh.
no one is left behind.
Hindi, nagulat ako ha. Pare, nagulat ako ha. Si Jeline, gumawa ng bagong sayaw pa.
Oh.
Eh, nung bata pa ako, 1978, 19... Gumagawa na siya. Ngayon, gumawa pa rin siya sa...
Oo, may
Pilit
bago
talaga
pa.
ako dito.
Grabe si Tita
Iba
Jeline.
Ang
talaga
galing
si
na-
Tita
Kaya,
Jeline.
kaya nga well-deserved talaga. Well-deserved
Yes,
yung
oo.
kanyang ano.
Palakpakan natin
PMPC
Abangan
award.
niyo po yung kantang hipsa. It's hip-hop salsa.
Yung bago mong single. Tita, may
That's
bago
a
kang
new
single.
song, yeah. It's
Ikaw din
really-
kumanta, no?
Hindi.
Si Tita Jeline di po ang kumanta.
Ako lang nag-concept. Ako nag-compose.
Oo, di ba?
Music and composition.
Wow,
Dapat
galing,
ganon, di tumitigil, oh.
Ako personally, I would like to thank Maribeth Bichara and of course
Hi,
si Mel Francisco.
Betchay!
Betchay, maraming salamat sa tulong mo. Yung iba medyo hindi siya naiintindihan eh dahil talagang pinupursigin niya eh, no? Pero ang ginagawa ni Maribeth ay mahal niya tayong lahat. Pati si
Kaya-
Jeline, oo.
Kaya naman, Tita Jeline, speaking of PMPC, congratulations!
Congrats.
And
Congratulations.
receiving a Lifetime Achievement Award from PMPC.
Wow, congratulations,
Ayun,
Tita
no?
Jeline.
Tita, congratulations! Isa kang tunay ng legend.
This is for all the dancers and the choreographers of the Philippines.
Yes, sir! Tita Jeline, ano-ano pa ba ang dapat namin abangan sa upcoming concerts nyo na Legends on the Dance Floor? Tsaka imbitahan nyo na rin yung mga kapuso natin.
It's gonna be a real big show. The biggest show ever about dancing, about dancers. And very nice staging and all. So please come on November 4, Araneta Coliseum, and we'll see you there.
Yeah. So magkita-kita po tayo. Maipapangako lang namin, siyempre kami lahat ay mga choreographer. Pero lahat kami nagtutulong-tulong. So, sigurado maganda to. Huwag niyo imi-miss. November 4.
May pahabol po ako.
Yes, tita.
Thank you so much, GMA, because lahat ng mga dance craze ko, dito ko laging linolaunch. So thank you, GMA 7.
Jemmy, thank you. At nandito lang ako lagi kung kailangan niyo.
Ngayon pa lang, i-congratulate na namin kayo. Excited na kaming mapanood ang pagsasama-sama ng mga iconic dance legends sa isang concert. Congrats in advance.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo. It's such a pleasure to have you here. At balik po kayo sa All Out Sundays. You're always welcome.